Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can use a widget, but firstly we need to create it. So press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top, and add widget. Now scroll down and you need to locate batteries. Here we go, click on it, and here's 3 presets, select the best one for you, and then tap at the Add Widget. And we can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds are turned on and connected to your phone. Now, the second option and the better option is to use an application. Open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have right now. And here it is, we have a battery percentages for the left and right earbuds, but not for the charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.